It's Friday and today I'm going to film a day in the salon just to show you a few little things of what we do behind the scenes here at Steph Meyer&Co. After working late last night, I was not organised for breakfast this morning and I literally ran out of everything that I had. So and then I also ran out of time too, so I couldn't go to the supermarket. So I remembered what I had at work and I remembered I had some protein and some fruit. So I'm just going to start my morning off with a protein fruit smoothie. Every Friday morning we have a quick meeting just to ensure we have enough products and everything's ready for the week ahead. This is our little storage area.
Time for my lunch now. I'm having a very boring lunch today. Hairdresser special, rice and tuna.
It's time to get our scissors sharpened. Owen has come in just to check all our scissors and see how they are and if they need sharpening. So we're going to send some off to get sharpened, and then we're also going to try some new ones as well too. The scissors that I've got to try while mine are away are the Zen Master FL and they're 6.5 inch. All the way from Sydney we have Maddie. And Brianna, what are we doing with Maddie's hair today?
We're just doing a half head of foils to refresh her regrowth.
My lunchtime and I'm also having tuna and rice. It's just like an easy lunch for us to have and quick, fills us up. So that is my exciting lunch today as well. A quick update on the Horsham salon. So it is a massive project. I feel like it is a lot bigger than we thought it was going to be. At this stage we get the keys on the 30th of March. And from then we can do the fit out and we'll do the demo first. When I can, I'll get in and show you the before, show you like my inspo, where I want everything, what I'm gonna do, and then like I'll film the process as well too, because I think it'll be really cool to share with you guys. I'm so grateful for Stacey for letting me use the salon while I do the fit out and while I get organized and everything like that. It's been so nice to see some of my old clients but also see some fresh faces as well too. So really excited to look after all you blondes in Horsham. Got all my inspo together and ready to go, so as soon as we get the keys we'll be ready to like hit the ground running and we'll be open in no time. HairdCo Australia order has arrived. We order our Foil Me Foil and Brazilian Bomb Builder from HairdCo Australia, and we got this cool new print from Foil Me Foil and some Brazilian Bomb Builder products. time, just so we can really concentrate on getting the colours as beautiful and crisp as possible. So today I had 3 clients and Brianna had 3. It's just a really just so much more enjoyable. It's such a good experience and we absolutely love what we do. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.